जोजिला पास है, वो पास कल फ्राइडे के लिए मेंटेनेंस डे, तो जोजिला पास 7 बजे के बाद क्लोज हो जाएगा।
I'm at a street which has lots of cafes, famous cafes. I see some Cafe de Polo behind me right now, and I'm going to a place called Chai Jai. This is the first stop that I'm taking the moment I've landed in Kashmir, because cafe culture has to be explored, and scenic things that we are going to do anyways. To do cafe hopping today. We've come to this place called Creme by Adush, and it's surprisingly very good. The coffee and the tea is really different from what I've had earlier, and highly recommended when you come to Srinagar. मैडम, आपका नाम क्या है? कौन है मैम? हेलो, आपका नाम क्या है? This one is discontinued from service from the way that it is right now, but you just get to see these small modifications all around. Looks fantastic. This scenic place of Sonmarg right now, and The temperatures are very low. I'll just show you the waters that are flowing behind. It's completely white in color. I think it's the snowfall that is taking place right now, as well as the melting of the snow. And we have the bikes here. They'll be allotted very soon. This will be my first ride from Sonmarg to Kargil in complete rains, and the temperatures are so low, so I'm completely decked up with my attire. I'm wearing 2 thermals, 1 t-shirt, this jacket and 2 bandanas, and yet it's you can't express it in words, the cold that you feel. Now I just hope once we reach, I hope to not fall ill. That's the main goal right now. But I am sure it's going to be one great hell of a ride, if anything. टी ब्रेक लिया है अभी एक जगह पे, so we parked our bikes. The entire group is not here. It's just few of us, but it was necessary. कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा है क्योंकि शूज़ के अंदर अभी पानी चला गया है. No matter what shoes you buy, once you hit a big puddle, water gets inside and you are screwed. There is no chance of recovering from it. So अभी सॉक्स सुखाने का कोशिश किया है, but the moment you put your feet in the shoes, it's back to square one. And it's freezing cold. But the view, I think this is making it worth it. I look like a joker, but यहाँ पे आने के बाद ही समझ आता है, कितनी भी तैयारी कर लो कम ही पड़ जाएगी. ये जो चीज़ है इधर नीचे, this is what we are riding for. Maggie, tea and your bike. Perfection. Just too good. Guys, we just reached Kargil, and first thing first, coffee, because it's so cold right now. So the thing is, we planned a trip in July, so it's raining, the glaciers are melting, and it's totally crazy, and we decided to bike all the way through Ladakh. So I hope this is one of those few destinations where it's raining. So guys, we left from Sonmarg and our first official stop has been Kargil. This ride has been terrific. Terrific is the word. My hands were shaking a few minutes ago. Right now I've just got accustomed to this place that we've stopped. It's a very simple coffee place, but essentials of the hour, and whatever gear you are carrying, trust me, if it's raining, if it's July, it's going to fall short. So I had the best of the best shoes, and somehow I did not put my rain gear properly, and that's why water seeped in, and all the ice cold water that seeped in, it became a mess. It became a cold mess for me later on. And so my suggestion to you guys is either carry extra shoes, or maybe carry shoes that even if they get wet, all you have to do is just dry them instantly. And the shoes that I'm carrying, they have soaked up all the water, and now it's going to be with me all my ride long, because there is no scope of drying it. So here we are at Kargil right now. We'll be visiting the memorial right now, but after that we'll be heading onwards. Let's see how the accommodation is. Keep you updated on that one, and whatever said and done, if it's worth it, it's worth it. So we've reached Mulbeck right now, and so this is how it looks like. It looks like the Grand Canyons of India. So we've seen many landslides throughout the way, but nothing that would scare us off. But if this doesn't make it worth it, I don't know what does. Essentials for the weather, very important. So this place is Mulbeck, and this is my first taste of what we are going to see throughout. It's really amazing. So I'll shortly talk about the bike that I'm riding. This is a Himalayan, the old one, not the Scram, which is a completely different thing. This one is made for this terrain, made for the rough environment, as well as it's got all these hooks and things. I don't think I'm carrying anything extra which would make use of it. So the bike that I have, it's barely done 2000 kilometers, so it's a rental. But being a rental, having done just 2000 kilometers is a luxury. And this is the new desert color. Totally love it. I have this backdrop which makes it so at home. I just love it. And agility wise, it's okay on the highways. Off-roading we'll be doing, and I can tell you more about that later on. We have more of these bikes in every color. I chose this one as it's new and it looks pretty fresh. The tires are good. I don't think you need to change them the moment you get them. This looks like a titanium exhaust because of this purple hue on it. And otherwise, if you see the highway performance, I think it's quite average. It does feel underpowered, but you can't expect everything at this price point. So overall, I think I love it. This is the best bike to go for. It's the best budget rental you can have in the right terrain.
You have to move with this. You have to move with circular. Done.
Perfect.
So this is just the overall, but the real significance lies here in this stone. I don't know if you can see it. This is what we are here for. So we've reached this peak point, top point of Leh Srinagar highway, and I'll just show you a glimpse of what it looks like. It's just a maze of amazing turns and U-turns. I have never seen anything like this. It's too good, and if you're ever planning on something like that, I would highly recommend this Leh Srinagar highway. Oh my god, epic. Hands are shivering like anything at this point. Everything is too chilly. It's raining at this point here, but I just love it. I know I made the right choice. I just fucked up with a few of the gear. We'll talk about the gear when we reach our hotel today. I have now learned what to have, what to not have. And you know, the best lesson I've learned is expensive products are not always the best products that you can use here. Let's just continue in our hotel room. That's gonna be one hell of a ride. Just reached here. This place called Tharpling Restaurant. Looks good. It's raining like crazy. And this is what our group looks like. And this is how it should be. Hello.
Nachi. We have chicken momos, chicken soup,
Wow.
plain Maggi.
बताओ ना इधर कैसे होता है?
इधर बारिश आवाज में थोड़ा थोड़ा आता था।
हाँ।
आपको एक बाइक का चाबी देखा गया
2 दिन हो गया बस थोड़ा थोड़ा।
बाइक पे लगा
ओके, तो इस साल सबसे ज्यादा हो गया बारिश. So we just did Fortula Pass right now, and as I said, we've stopped at this restaurant. हमारा पूरा biker gang इधर है आज, and अभी at this point कितना भी बारिश हुआ तो भी my body is immune to this kind of weather now. And see this is the view that is there behind. So you see these dry mountains behind, and yet इधर देखो हरियाली देखो कैसी है. So it's a mixed bag. This place never fails to amaze you. राइड किया है ना बारिश में, ठंड में, ये एक्सपीरियंस, क्योंकि जो लद्दाखी लोकल से बात किया है, so they are all saying कि इतना बारिश कभी नहीं हुआ है in the last few years. So this has been one hell of an experience.